get closer to islands, bursting with life.
A dangerous criminal who holds no...
We apologize for the interruption to programs, and are trying to correct the technical fault as soon as we can. We apologize for the interruption to programs, and are trying to correct the technical fault as soon as we can. Recently, there have been many reports around the world indicating that there were earthquakes more frequently. The most impacted countries include the United States, Canada, Mexico, Chile, New Zealand, Indonesia, Philippines, Japan, Russia. These earthquakes in those countries have an average magnitude of 4.5 to 8.1. We advise you to follow these instructions if one of these earthquakes strikes your area, even if you are not even close to one of these countries, because these earthquakes are happening everywhere. Go under a sturdy object of furniture, or go to the basement of the place you are and grab food, water, first aid kit and personal belongings. Take smaller devices such as phones and tablets to bring with you. We also advise to turn off the TV in case there is an earthquake. You are also able to continue watching this channel by using Skype.com. Do not collect your children and people who live in your place that are somewhere else, because they will be safe as possible. Well, we have no more information for now. Please wait until we gather further information. We now have further information regarding the situation. It turns out that these earthquakes have been causing little explosions and cracks that are 10 meters long now. There have also been volcanoes that have high chances of erupting. Just in case, we advise you to wear a gas mask. N95 masks are recommended. The masks you use for coronavirus are not very powerful against the substances that these cracks and explosions produce. They could make you feel poorly or even die. If you are in a 3 or more story building, we advise you to go to the lowest point of it, because there might be a chance that the highest floors will get destroyed. Please wait until we gather further information regarding the situation. We now have more information on this event. Some volcanoes that had a high chance of erupting had now erupted. There have also been even bigger cracks that are now 25 meters. There have also been wildfires as this continues. Due to this, we advise you to seal all openings to the outside and block other openings by using damp towels, bricks, or anything around you. Going outside is now considered unsafe due to all the gas. Smoking or any activity that releases dangerous gases must be prohibited at your place at all times, because it will make the situation even worse. Please wait until we gather further information regarding the situation. We now have more emergency information. Please pay attention. We have now made a disturbing conclusion that the Earth will explode within a few minutes. Scientists predict that there will be even more sets of earthquakes and volcanic activity that are 2 to 5 times dangerous than the other ones. As you might know already, you must prepare to peacefully accept the end. Phone all of your loved ones, and say goodbyes. Phone all your friends as well. You may wish to spend your final minutes doing a religious activity, or saying goodbyes to everyone. There is absolutely nothing we can do to stop the Earth from exploding. If you have a religion, repent to God and ask Him for forgiveness. If it makes you comfortable, close your eyes. When the Earth explodes, this will result in an instant death. Scientists have created a global chart showing which places will mostly be affected by volcanic activity and earthquakes.
But we cannot show the chart due to lots of technical difficulties.
That is all from Skypick. We hope you all have a peaceful end, and may God save the King. The Earth will now explode. Explosion imminent. Explosion imminent. Embrace your loved ones. Say your final goodbyes. Explosion imminent. Explosion.